The pandemic is a game changer for digital transformation. It has led to the increased use of digital skills in all areas of life and has spotlighted an ongoing problem, the skill gap. Has the world left you behind? Are your role, skills and qualifications still relevant? Maybe you are among the few that understand the need for transformation, but the prices for these courses are mind-blowing, and there is no guarantee that the high fees you pay will fetch you your dream job. Maybe, just maybe, you are among the few that have no clue about computers and think you are doomed. I've got good news for you. Robust Digital Expert is a digital cafeteria for developing digital skills. At Robust Digital Expert, we eat, drink and digest all things digital. You don't need to be a guru to enroll today. Whether you are a beginner or want a refresher of your digital skills, this is the one place for all. Our Virtual Mentoring Academy comes with great offers to inspire you. What are you waiting for? Click the link to learn more.